One of the things that I always stress to myself is when you have an idea, implement it, take action now, because you may not have that same motivation. You may not have that same inspiration to take action in an hour. It's going crazy. Right now it's at like 2,000 views, 2.1 thousand views, but everything looks to seem to be moving bullish. So I might just leave it, just come back tomorrow. At the end of the day, we'll be able to trade again tomorrow, and that's the name of the game. Being able to stay in the game to trade tomorrow. But I don't make that much off of it. If I did, I would be posting 1,000 reels a day. I would be going crazy. So it would be like a money glitch. I wanted to trade today. I wanted to make money. I wanted to feel good. When you have that momentum, keep going. When you have the momentum going to the gym every day, keep going. When you have the momentum of following your trading rules, keep going. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I'm Andre Diaz, self-employed entrepreneur, content creator, day trader, all the above, serial entrepreneur, whatever you want to call me. But right now, I'm in the living room. Now, you're probably asking, why are you not trading? For one, it's 10 o'clock right now. Why is it so late, you may be asking. Bro, I'll probably put a clip right here.
Yeah, because it has it blocked off on the
That's crazy. I'm trying to take her to work right now so I can get home so I can trade, but it's looking like I might have to join the VIP session on here. It's bad. Now, what time am I going? Copy. It's about to be an adventure on there. But basically, I just dropped my girlfriend off at work, and she started work at 8 o'clock. She started work at 8 o'clock, but we were going to take the highway that we usually do to get her to work. But if you guys don't know, we have like a hurricane, tropical storm right here in Florida. So everything is flooded. It's been raining for 15 hours. So that 10, 15-minute drive turned into a 30, 40-minute drive. Plus, I had to drive back. And honestly, I wasn't looking to force a trade in the car just because I couldn't even see. For one, I could barely even see where I was going. So I wasn't going to try to force a trade. So I ended up getting home. And by the time I got home, I'm looking at the markets, trying to see if there's anything that I could really make sense of. But honestly, the markets really are just moving. I'm overall bearish today, but everything looks to seem to be moving bullish. So I might just leave it, just come back tomorrow. At the end of the day, we'll be able to trade again tomorrow. And that's the name of the game. Being able to stay in the game to trade tomorrow. If I don't trade today, guess what? That's still a W. I didn't lose today. Today's equivalent to a break-even day. A break-even day is a W. Any day that I don't lose money and I have the ability to still trade tomorrow, still trade the next day, that's fine. Because I just want to ensure that I can keep making a way of making money for myself outside of a job. Simple as that. Now, it may not feel good. I wanted to trade today. I wanted to make money. I wanted to feel good, but it's okay. This is the discipline required to get to where we want to be. So right now, I got to clean up these dogs because right now, since it's been raining, you can only imagine how dirty this house has been because of these two dogs. So right now, while it's not pouring, I'm gonna clean up this crib, take these two on a walk. Oh yeah, you like the sound of that? You like the sound of that, don't you? You do too, huh? Yes, you do. But yeah, that's about to be my day. And then I might join the VIP call. Honestly, I might not, just because I just kind of left it up with everyone else today. I wasn't really able to be there, call the trades. So I would just be there to be there. You know what I mean? Wouldn't really be doing what I'm supposed to, which is share the trades, manage the trades, watch the market. I don't want to show up at a time I don't trade. You know what I mean? I may want to give them all this value, but I'm not going to go against my rules and systems for other people also. You know what I mean? Because guess what? That's going to bring me right back to when I wasn't successful. I got to do is making me successful no matter what, because me being successful is going to indirectly help me make other people successful because I know it works. Simple as that. But let me clean all this up. This weather got me fucking. Yo, I just draw. I just draw. Oh, never mind. We're not going that way. Fuck it all. Yeah, like this shit crazy. Like the sidewalks flooded. This shit crazy. Right? Right now it's like a hurricane outside. Anybody from Florida will be able to relate to that. I've been struggling today, trying to get these dogs walked, having to walk them in the rain. I'm drenched right now. You might not be able to even tell. Before I even took a shower, I'm recording this video. One of the things that I always stress to myself is when you have an idea, implement it, take action now, because you may not have that same motivation. You may not have that same inspiration to take action in an hour, in 2 hours, even in 20, 30 minutes. I know a lot of you have had great ideas, have had business plans, but never took action as soon as you had the idea. As soon as you say, oh, maybe I should change my thumbnail. Oh, maybe I should change the title. Maybe I shouldn't have took this trade. Maybe I should journal this trade. You gotta do it then and there. You gotta understand that in that moment when you're being aware of that, that's when you have to take action, because like I said, that same motivation that you have, that same inspiration, that same feeling, that same willingness you have to want to do the work, that feeling of joy, that feeling of I'm going to build something great, you need to use it then and there, because guess what? that feeling goes away. That feeling comes and goes. Every day we don't wake up feeling good, right? Every day we don't wake up feeling bad. It comes and goes, but we can't control when it comes and goes. We can only control what we do when we feel that way. And me personally, one of the things that I always tell myself to kind of keep me going is pay the price now to pay any price later. Pay the price now to pay any price later. And I use this for everything. I use this when I'm at the gym because guess what? When I work out at the gym, I don't feel good. When I have a headache, when my legs hurt, when my back hurts, when my neck hurts, do you think I want to go to the gym? No. But guess what? I got to pay the price now to pay any price later. And what does that mean in terms of fitness? I got to pay the price of the temporary pain, my muscles being stretched. I gotta have the temporary pain of having to fill myself up with food that even if I'm not hungry, I gotta fill myself up with food so I can gain weight, so that I can get stronger, so I can get bigger. I gotta pay the price now to pay any price later. What I do also want to talk about is this video from yesterday. This video ended up being a banger. How to start trading with $100. If you guys haven't checked this video out, it's going crazy. Right now it's at like 2,000 views, 2.1 thousand views, and it's only been up for maybe 12, 15 hours, something like that, but it was only uploaded yesterday, and I appreciate you guys with everything. We also hit that 15,000 subscribers yesterday. Just everything is moving good, and I'm gonna keep this momentum going. I wanted to give you guys a little tip. When it comes to anything, when you have that momentum, keep going. When you have the momentum going to the gym every day, keep going. When you have the momentum of following your trading rules, keep going. When you have the momentum of being consistent and disciplined, keep going, because I'm telling you, once you lose that momentum, it's so much easier to fall off. Once you fuck up one time after not fucking up for months, it's so much easier to fall off and fuck up again. Trust me, keep the momentum. The momentum is going to keep you going. It's going to keep you moving strong. Look, think of the momentum as the current. If you're in the current, all you got to do is flow with it. You don't got to do much. You just got to flow with it. Overall, looking at the market, this is US 30. We haven't really done much. It's been bearish all day. And there really just hasn't been much trades. That's why I told you guys there's not really much for me to do today in terms of trading. The VIP team was active and everything. Looks like Kino's in shorts, but I don't think it played out yet just because it's being so slow. But overall, today was a slow day for me. I didn't take no trades, but the team definitely was active. But nonetheless, you guys will see all the VIP content in tomorrow's vlog. Today just won't be as much VIP. Yeah, right now I'm smoking with her on her break. But I was just talking about how I was just talking to this guy on Instagram. He was basically just saying that he makes reels and everything. He creates clips. He took a clip from my YouTube video. He created a free clip for me. If you guys watch the YouTube short, then you know what clip I'm talking about. Here, I'll put it out here for you. This clip right here is a smooth clip. I ain't gonna lie, it's a smooth clip. But he charges $20 per reel, and that's just crazy. $20 per reel is outrageous. Outrageous. I paid maybe $20 for 5 reels, but considering how much content I upload, if I wanted to basically buy a week's worth of reels, that would be, if I post 2 to 3 reels a day, $60 a day times 5 times 6. Already at that, we're in the hundreds. So let's just say 60 times 5. I would be paying $300 a week not posting on weekends. Bro, that's too much. I don't make that much from a reel. A reel is not really gonna make me money in a sense. It's gonna build my brand. It's gonna build rapport with people. It's gonna allow people to see what I'm like, see what I talk about, give free value. So me paying $300 to give them free value, it's a little crazy. Maybe if I had like a bigger audience, like if I was making a couple $100 from like on the back end of me posting clips and me posting all this, then maybe, but I don't make that much off of it. If I did, I would be posting 1,000 reels a day. I would be going crazy. So it would be like a money glitch. Be like a GTA money glitch. No cap. Just keep reposting, keep posting clips, and every time I post, I would get paid. That's how it is for people. If you have a big enough audience, people can do that. But if you don't have a big enough audience, you can do that. Like me with 15,000 subscribers, I can't do that. Me with 13,000 Instagram followers, I can't do that. Nope, it's not possible. You can ask anybody. Like the back end of, it's like, say if you try to sell something on a reel or sell something like on your Instagram story, the percentage of someone that's going to buy it is very, very, very low. Like out of 1,000 people, maybe 1 person might buy it. Out of 100 people, maybe 1, if that. Out of 100, probably no one's gonna buy it, to be honest. Like there's like an 80% chance nobody's gonna buy it if 100 people watch it. It's just a numbers game. YouTube, you can get away with it. If you have 1,000 people watch something, the chance of someone 1 to 10 people buying something is more likely compared to Instagram. And then Instagram is more likely compared to something like TikTok. You just gotta know the platforms, know the audience at the end of the day. But it's neither here nor there. That's a story for another time. Right now, my boys, it's actually, we got some better weather. This shit's a little bright, I ain't gonna lie, but we got a little bit of better weather right now. The rain is gone away for now. for now. I don't trust it, not at all. It's been off and on for a little bit. I do not trust it. When I'm on my way back to the crib, we gotta hit the gym and everything. Gotta continue getting the rest of this content created myself. I mean, like I was talking about with her and like I was trying to explain to you guys, I'm not at the point where I'm gonna be paying for content to be created yet. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make much sense return on investment wise. Even me posting content, editing it myself for free, still doesn't even mean I'm gonna make money from content. You know what I mean? That's just something I want you guys to understand, because I'm on this journey just as much as you guys. I'm trying to get rich just as much as you guys. I'm closer, I may be further than some of you, but that doesn't mean anything. We're still on the same journey, just at different phases. I'm just trying to help you guys that may be on a lower level. No matter what, we're all on the same path, just looking to improve, elevate, and be the best versions of ourselves. And I'm not trying to be in competition with none of you, even though we are directly in competition with each other because there's such a small amount of people that succeed. As long as you guys do what 80%, 89% of the rest do, me and you won't be in competition. So you just look at it like that. Let's just get this money, succeed, and do what everyone else isn't gonna do so that we can achieve what they can achieve. Drop off to first location to get drinks, like mango drinks from the first location. And then I'm gonna go inside to see if this gas station has raw papers, because I need that raw papers. And family, this is where the video is going to come to an end. It was an overall cool day. I didn't really do too much today. It was a calm day. It was rainy majority of the day, so I didn't go out that much. Got a calm little workout, edited some videos, got a video posted. I'm gotta get this video posted. Yeah, I didn't really trade today, so I didn't really do none of that today. But tomorrow we're back to work. So we're gonna stick to the regular schedule program. We're gonna be back to work with VIP. We're gonna see if we catch some trades, make some money trading. And if we don't, we don't. If we catch a trade, we do. If we miss a trade, it is what it is. We go in with no expectations. All we do is follow the process. It's gonna make us win long term. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.